So RAELYNN'S home from the hospital now.
You see the powder in it? It's like that diaper gel powder.
Yeah, she's doing really good. So RAELYNN'S home from the hospital now, and she's actually doing really, really good.
Well, I don't understand how even if I have this clamp that's making the noise, can you hear it?
I think so.
So it's doing this because there's a leak. It'll make that noise if it's draining, but it's not draining anything. It's just pulling air somewhere. How many of these have we had?
At least third.
I think it's at least our fourth, actually, then, because I thought it was fourth or fifth, so it's probably our fourth. They make this sound, but they just make it intermittently and stop because stuff's draining out of it. And can you see the powder in it? It's like that diaper gel powder.
Yeah.
Starts as packs. Moisture's made the packs explode, but like normally it makes solidified blood. If you're draining a lot of blood, serous fluid, whatever it's called. Okay, so this one beeped. At one point this lit up and it started going beep, beep, beep. And that was because there was air escaping. And I was pretty sure I knew where it was because in the hospital they were trimming to get the drains out and they were like, oops, did we trim that too close? Nah, it's probably fine. Well, that was one leak, but we fixed it. It's kind of weird. There's not usually, we've never had this many leaks. So I don't know where it's leaking right now. I kind of think up here because she feels really gooey.
It's an air leak.
Yeah, there's air going into the sponge. But if you find the spot and hold it, it'll stop. But I'm not finding it. Also, see this goo? This part, you need that around the whole sponge. Sometimes they don't put it around the bottom. And then this really helps keep it sealed, this gooey stuff. It doesn't start gooey, but it gets gooey from body heat and moisture. I don't know where the leak's coming from, but since it's doing that almost constant, I'm pretty sure it has a leak. But this whole thing comes off tomorrow, and it's not a leak in the diaper area because we checked that. So I guess it's fine. If I could find the spot, it fixes, so I know it won't alarm it 2 a.m.
You just reinforce it with more tape?
Yep, Tegaderm. It's not that bad of a leak. There's only one light on here. That means there's 1 day left. We get it off tomorrow morning. It's not a huge deal, I guess. It would be more sterile if it wasn't doing that, I think, but it's still probably more sterile than a regular dressing. I don't know. This is all sealed. I feel like the only place it could be leaking is up here somewhere. Before, when I held the leak spot, you could hear it stop. That's how I knew it was the right spot. It's interesting how hard we can push on her back and it doesn't hurt her.
Yeah, she's in like very, very little pain after this surgery. She's doing awesome.
She feels like I'm just rubbing her back. I don't think she minds this at all. She likes getting her back rubbed? Like getting your back rubbed?
Got a little drool down there. Want us to suction that? Okay. How you been feeling, RAELYNN? You been feeling good? I think you have been. But she hasn't expelled much fluids at all.
No, it's not a super wet wound.
And she's been feeling really good. She's done so much better with this surgery than previous ones. She bounced back from this surgery so fast. She's barely needed any Tylenol or pain meds or anything. She's doing really good. So RAELYNN'S been through a lot with her spine, but hopefully it's all in the past now. Her first spine surgery was to correct her scoliosis from like a 99% curvature of her spine, and they were able to correct it down to a 40% curvature, which really helped a lot because she's much more comfortable now than she ever was before. And then she had 2 surgeries to clean out an infection she got from her first surgery, and now this last one was to put bone graft back into her spine, which they had to clean out because of the infection as well. But hopefully that's the last one, and it looks like she's recovering really well from it. So the only possible concern now is that she would get another infection. And so far we don't see any signs of that, but hopefully that stays away. She's continuing to stay on those antibiotics she's on for now, so hopefully that takes care of anything. But we're pretty happy so far, and I'm really happy that she's bouncing back from surgery so well. Hopefully she just continues to do that. Thank you so much for your prayers and your concerns. As always, RAELYNN always reminds us how strong we can be even when things are going hard. She's so strong. And if she can get through it, you can get through it too. Whatever you're going through, remember, there's always hope. even when life seems hopeless. God bless you guys.